English? Ich schätze mal, ihr versteht das alles, ne? You're from the Philippines, guys. Thank you for talking to us. So you're 8 months away from home. Also Internet ganz wichtig, hat Karl auch nochmal bestätigt. Man kann hier ein bisschen spielen, einfach von Bord mal gehen und sich auch entspannen. So is it important when you're such a long time on board that you really leave the board for a day and just have another surrounding?
Yes.
What do you like most about this place?
Oh, it's nice place, really nice place.
And the people here?
And people is very nice also. I don't have any, it's very friendly.
Very friendly. Okay. So when you leave tonight, what is your next stop?
Rotterdam, Netherlands. After that, we're going to South America.
Wow. And when are you home again?
And next month in June.
Finish contract, 9 months.
You're looking forward to see your family again?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. I understand. I have the deepest respect for you and your work. Thank you very much for talking to me, and have a nice day. Carl and Abraham.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you for this very nice.
I'm just a visitor too, so
really?
yeah. I work at a radio station in Hamburg, and I just show the people this place.
What is the name of the radio station?
AIDA Radio, the cruise ships. AIDA, you know, with the mouth, with the big red. Yes, and they have an own radio station.
Oh, really?
Yes, and
I work also in Hamburg also.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
A long time in
German
Hamburg.
ship.
Wow.
German ship.
But it's
now,
time you get home again, right?
Yeah.
8 months is a long time.
9 months actually.
Wow. Thank you for talking.
Thank you
It was
so much.
really nice.
Ano nakalagay kanina?
Verify.
Approval.
Diese Annahmen der Kinder,
Ja.
wo da die entsprechenden da findest du dann die Geschichte.
Selfie tayo ba? Okay.
Hello.
Ano ba ito sa Germany? Spring? Naglagas ba yung spring?
Summer na daw. Sabi ni Bigote doon.
Oo, summer na daw yan.
Lagi mo doon, gaulan-ulan pa sa
Sige, balik-balik.